Still loving my Auxito LED headlights that I put in my cool Scat Pack, and of course the Auxito LEDs that I have in my fog lights on my daily driven 2008 Toyota Sequoia. But today I'm going to do something that I'm really excited about. Auxito LED sent me these, and these are called Switchbacks, and this is going to be pretty cool because see that orange light in the turn signal that I've got on the Sequoia? It's going to make it a bright white light. So look, it's going to match my fog lights, but then when I turn my turn signal on, it's going to go to amber. So I'm pretty excited about this one. Let's install it and see what it looks like. So here's where the turn signal bulb is on my Sequoia on the driver's side. I'm going to give it a counterclockwise twist and pull it out, and you can see the original amber halogen bulb, and I'm going to take this out and replace it with one of these Auxito LED switchbacks. So now that we have the bulb in there, let's put it back in there and check it out and see how cool it looks. All right, all locked in place. Okay, so there we go. I got the driver's side in. Look how clean that looks. Man, I just love how LEDs will modernize any vehicle. Look over here with the amber side that stays amber. Just those halogen bulbs just don't cut it when you have LED. Auxito LED is really spoiling me to these beautiful LED lights. Now let me set the camera down and we'll do a little turn signal demonstration, see what it looks like. Alright, so let's check out that factory halogen bulb right there. Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's got the amber blink, but come over here. Look how bright and crisp the Auxito LED switchback is. That is so cool. And then of course when you disengage the turn signal, it goes back to white and just gives the whole front end a nice clean look. Okay, let's put that passenger side in because I'm already tired of that halogen bulb over there. Okay, so there it is. Both the switchbacks are LEDs now, and look how much brighter that looks with the amber LED. I love it. So let's check and see what it looks like going down the road. I'm going to turn the lights on and let's check it when it goes back to white. Okay, I love it. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Those LEDs look amazing. Of course, I didn't expect anything less from Auxito LED. Like I said, I've already got their fog lights, and of course I've already got the headlights on my Challenger. And these look amazing. Let's do a quick little driving test and show you some before and after. So here's the comparison while driving. The halogen bulbs on the left, that dull orange, Auxito LED switchbacks on the right. Watch when the turn signal comes on with the switchbacks. It is so bright. I can't even tell you how much brighter it is in person compared to the halogen bulb. The halogen bulb looks like it's not even working. So from a safety standpoint, people can definitely see this from far away. I absolutely love it. To amber, it looks amazing, and I love having the Auxito LEDs on my daily driver Sequoia. This is a 2008 model, with 275,000 miles on it, and the LEDs just give it a modern, clean look. So if you want the same look for your ride, make sure you reach out to Auxito LED, use promo code MOPARLIFE to save some money, and thanks for watching.